it's Thursday evening, and I'm going to try and get this mould ready so I can cast one of the pods, one of the side flares tomorrow. So in episode 2,000,004, in episode 19 I think it was, I started constructing the sled, which is going to be the moulds to cast out of. I've used melamine board, which a lot of people use to make small moulds, and I'm going to try and get away with using silicone to round over the edges, to cover over the edges of the melamine, and to fill in all my holes. Now with this mould, I should from this point be able to cast both flares without changing the main structure. And then what I'll be able to do is the back plate here, which runs one way and then the other way, I'll just be able to, the piece of timber I used to create the back lip, I'll be able to flip it around. So I'll measure both out now. This will become the bottom, that will become the top, that will become the bottom, that will become the top. And I'll be able to cast both sides out of this one mould as it stands. They won't be as perfect as a certain company from the States, but then again, they won't cost us the best part of 1,500 quid, so I think we gave 30 quid for the melamine.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Joe's behind the camera filming.
Hi everybody.
We gave 30 quid for the melamine, and we'll probably use 20, 30 quid's worth of fiberglass and 15 quid's worth of GELCOAT on each side. So each pod should come in at less than £100 finished. That's the plan anyway. I've just been out and measured everything again. Not that it'll make any sense because it's,
It's Graham language.
Yeah. So it's all measured again because I measured my original cardboard 10-foot out, which is down there now, just protecting the kitchen side. And that gave us the rough outline that we've got to now. And now it's time to get some specifics in and some measurements done. Fighting the great British weather again. It's poured down already this morning. We've got a slight break, but it's spitting. I don't know how much you can make out of the grey clouds, but it's grey cloud all around. It's lovely weather for autumn. I think, as I said last night, I've got everything drawn out, but I need to put a little round over on here. All the way around the edge, so I've got something to run up and over, and then I'm gonna have to seal it with silicone, so I'm just have to do my best to seal it, rub it back flat and seal it with silicone, because GELCOAT and silicone don't like each other, especially when silicone's got a coat of wax, and I've got a couple of little bits down here I'm just gonna have to take back and seal with silicone. Then I'm gonna put a small radius in there as well, a small fillet to allow a run over in there as well. I'm going to try and get the router on it now outside before the rain pours again. So it's just cutting something out for this back edge now that I can switch around. Right, we've got to go and look at the house, so it's had to stop. Not that it's not stopped raining now, so we'll crack on with the mould when we get back and try and get that finished. The wax hasn't been delivered yet, so it's probably going to run in tomorrow now.
So we've arrived at the house we're going to view and we're just waiting for the agent to arrive. It's still raining, it's still grey, but there is a glimmer of blue sky over that way, which is not where we are.
On the wrong side of where we are. The weather's coming in from off the sea, it looks like, so the blue sky is not where we're going to be. But yeah, hopefully the stage won't be long and we can get in and have a look at this place. So back to this. We had a look at the house. It needed far more work than I ever thought it would do. But we have put an offer in, so we'll see where that gets to. Right, back to this. I'm going to make this back bit so I can spin it around and change it for one side to the next. Silicon set off for the most part now, so I'm just starting to build up some layers of miracle gloss, stone and moulding solutions. What? Just working with on, and then I'll get a cotton t-shirt in a minute and start puffing it up a bit and just build a couple around Saturday afternoon, it's pouring down again. It's been on and off all day, the weather's been awful, so I've had to clear out the garage and make a space. And I'm gonna have to do it in here, so I'm gonna give it another couple of coats of wax and polish it up again. And then I'm gonna have a go at casting it in here. And I just apologise for the rain and the sound of the rain on the roof, but what can I do? I need to get them going. Nope. I'm sorry guys, but this is what it's going to have to be. So there is my black brush gel coat. I'm going to mix them up and get it in and just go for it. Get the clips off first. 1, So disappointingly, I just don't have enough of the black gel coat to even finish one. I've tried to spread it around as best I can, but I don't know where I stand now. I'm going to have to speak to East Coast on, well, it'll be Monday now. That's a kilo of gel coat gone in there. And it's not spread out all the way, so I don't know whether that's going to ruin my mould effectively or whether I'll be able to continue on and fill in. Hopefully, I can't work it anymore. I can't work the gel coat anymore. It's starting to go really tacky. I'm hoping I can carry on and it will all bond together, and if I get another thick coat on, and then any areas like this I'll be able to rub back when it comes out. But again, I've got no idea till Monday till I speak to them. So I think that's it for this week, guys. It's Saturday night. It's 20 to 7. I've got to start editing the video and get it out tomorrow. And I'll be honest, I'm a bit disappointed. I thought I might have got this one laid up tonight, or at least two coats of gel coat in, ready to lay up tomorrow, and that could have possibly gone into next week's video, but what can you do? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.